Question number 156. Select the correct match with respect to limbs in man. And the very first match given is palm bones, and the match is 14 in number. And as it is an incorrect match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question, because palm bones, which are 5 in each forelimb, are 10 in number. The next option given is wrist bones, and the number is 10, and as it is an incorrect option, this cannot be a correct answer to our question, because wrist bones or carpals are 8 in each forelimb. So there are total 16 carpals or wrist bones in a man. The next option given is kneecap, and the match is 2 in number, and as it is a correct match, so this is a correct answer to our question, because patella, which is also known as kneecap, are 1 in each hind limb, so this is a correct match. The last match given is ankle bones, and the match is 16 in number, and as it is an incorrect match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question, because ankle bones are 7 in each hind limb, so there are total 14 ankle bones in a man. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 157. A fall in glomerular blood flow leads to increase in all except, and the options are angiotensin 2, second option is renin, fourth option is aldosterone, and the last option is ANF or atrial natriuretic factor. And the correct answer to this question is option number 4, ANF, because an increase in blood flow to the atria of the heart can cause the release of ANF, which can cause vasodilation and thereby decrease in blood pressure. Whereas the other 3 options, that is angiotensin 2, aldosterone and renin, are the incorrect options. These are the hormones which are involved in RAS pathway. Decrease in glomerular filtration rate activates JG cells to release renin, which converts angiotensinogen into angiotensin 1. And angiotensin 2, which is produced from angiotensin 1, activates adrenal cortex to release aldosterone. So all these 3 hormones are released when there is fall in glomerular blood flow or blood pressure. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 158. Select the odd one with respect to products of exocrine glands, and the options are milk, prolactin, digestive enzymes and saliva. And the correct answer to this question is option number 2, prolactin, because prolactin is a hormone and it is a product of endocrine gland and not of an exocrine gland. Whereas rest of the options, milk, digestive enzymes and saliva, are the incorrect options because these are the products of exocrine glands. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 159. By counting the number of which segment can we determine the heart rate of an individual? And the options are PQ wave, T wave, QRS complex and ST wave. And the correct answer to this question is option number 3, QRS complex. This is a direct NCERT based question, and we know that by counting the number of QRS complex we can determine the heart rate of an individual. Let's discuss rest of the options. The next option is PQ wave, T wave and ST wave, and these are the incorrect options. P wave represents depolarization of atria, whereas T wave represents repolarization of the ventricles. And in a given time period, the number of QRS complex can determine the rate of an individual and not ST segment, T wave or PQ wave. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 160. Select the incorrect match with respect to the hormone and its function. And the very first match given is thymosin, and the match is differentiation of T lymphocytes. And as it is a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. This is given in your NCERT book also. Thymosin is a hormone which is released from thymus gland, and it helps in differentiation of T lymphocytes. And that's why it is also known as the training school of T lymphocytes. Next match given is cortisol, and the match given is suppresses immune response. And as it is a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. Cortisol suppresses immune response, and that's why cortisol is given in case of tissue or graft transplantation. The next match given is progesterone, and the match given is stimulates milk ejection from mammary gland. And as it is an incorrect match, so this is a correct answer to our question, because progesterone acts on mammary glands and stimulates the formation of alveoli and milk secretion, and not milk ejection from mammary gland. It is the role of oxytocin. The last match given is oxytocin, and the match given is stimulates uterine contraction at childbirth. And as it is a correct match, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question, because oxytocin stimulates uterine contraction during parturition. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question.